trying to log into your Albilad Bank app for the first time? Don't skip this. There's a verification step that many people don't expect. In this video, I will show step by step how to log into your Albilad app for the first time and complete verification without errors. First, open your Albilad app on your phone. You will see the login page. Enter your username and password, then tap on login. Make sure you use the same details you created during registration. Next, you will receive one-time password or OTP on your registered mobile number. Enter the code to continue. Now, this is important part. You will ask to register your device as a trusted device. You may receive an automated call from a bank and they will give you verification code. Enter that code in the app, complete verification. You will take back to the login page. Now enter your username or a gamma number and your password again. Then you will receive OTP. Once you receive it, start tapping it. And this time you will successfully access to your account. If you face any issues, here's what to do. If you doesn't receive OTP, check your network and make sure your SIM card is active. If you don't receive a call from bank, wait a few minutes and try again. If login fails, double check on your password and your username or reset your password. To avoid problems in the future, always keep your registered mobile number active and don't share your OTP to someone. That is how to log into your Albilad Bank app for the first time. Check my YouTube channel for more Saudi banking tutorial. Thank you for watching.